Like this weekend for us is like the biggest race, you know, the biggest series we're going to. So I feel like right now I'm at the best spot in my career I've been.
I was inspired by Justin's riding. It's really stylish, just like dip, 1 foot, helmet check. I was like, okay.
You get there super wet and no one wants to go out there and ride. Rookie guy, like let's go break it in. Like we were once that guy. Like you gotta pay your dues. So.
You have to pay are you paying your dues right now?
I guess so. Yeah, I'm technically not like a rookie. It's my 2nd year, but they still treat me like one. I'm the young guy, so yeah, I'm the one they pick on. It's funny.
Pierce, he's a loose unit. That guy's got about as much going on upstairs as a 1-story building.
No. Did you say that to his face?
Yeah, he knows it. I love Pierce though.
I'm taking the inside, and then I drift just out. There's the main line. Just outside of that, it looks like there's no line, but there is. And it's smoother on the transition. It's pretty quick. I got more power.
Did I get in trouble again? I always get in trouble. Worst habit is grabbing a handful of throttle. Ring, 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 ring.